They say when pikin they do anyhow for outside, you as the parent you no talk. Dat anyhow go enter inside house oh. My beautiful and amazing people. Annie never do reach this one. Dem talk say Annie don overdo. E don reach Natasha Honourable, make I add am, Honourable Natasha Osowaru Orobosa. E don dey pepper two-face for body. My beautiful and amazing people, yawa e don gas o, e don finally shele. Na love na Annie love, she no kpai person. Na dis one na dem dey talk say it is finish. E don finally finish o. Two-face finally caught Honourable Natasha red-handed. Hey, my people, where una dey make una come out o, make una come hear dis one wey we dey hear from the information center. I say my ear I don full, according to Hausa man. E say my ear I full fa. My ear I don full oo. Chai! Na so karma dey work? God abeg o, if na like dis karma dey work, na im be say e no go make sense make we offend anybody for dis life, most especially anybody wey don sacrifice one or two to make us smile, to put a smile on our face. Normally, we no suppose offend dat person. Una don see am say Annie no fight two-face, she no quarrel two-face, she no even talk wetin two-face do her or wetin she do two-face. But God of Annie don dey do the miracle. Hey, dis one e loud o. Red-handed na I dey tell una like dis o, according to the information. My beautiful and amazing people, make una come closer. Where una dey? Make una come one after the other. Make una come hear updates. Hey, everywhere don burst o, internet on fire. My people, before I go enter into the main koko of the kokoli, make I cap una what's up. I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where una dey watch me from and at the hour wey una take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, may God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pockets, guide and protect una, bless una for everything wey una dey do for this channel. If no be una, how we wan take gather body reach to come dey talk to ourselves for this very channel? I say a very big thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I still remember una humble girl Gifted Gist. I mean they bring you the latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name take beg una, make una dey help us to subscribe. Hit on the notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, hey, no be small thing o. They say anything wey you see for relationship, wey you decide to talk am for your mind say it will not, the person will change, the person will change, the person will change once we get married. Na that time the person go worst. Like if you dey think say anybody go change any attitude wey person carry or any lifestyle wey the person dey live when una dey single, say if una marry say e go change, aunty, brother, na lie all you dey lie o. Nothing dey change anything for inside this matter. If you think am like that, if you put body, you go later collect woto. There's no two ways about it. My beautiful and amazing people, hey, no be small matter dey this ground, no be small thing o. Hey, they say Two-Face allegedly catch Natasha red-handed after they don smoky finish. Na so the thing high am to the extent, just the way e high am to the extent where e go dey open cloth just to comot for House of Representative, I mean a House of Assembly, just to comot for House of Assembly. My padi don dey open cloth make breeze enter the National Assembly. You no understand that kind thing. E come be this one wey be say they come go club finish, they come back house. My people, hey, no be small matter they say e happen o. For club there, na im dey say Honourable Natasha go dey dance with another man. No be ordinary kind of dance o. She dey give the man soapy kind of dance. Hey, soapy. Everybody call soapy. Hey, my people. Na so she take forget herself unto the level say e don take one or two, e no dey see front, e no dey see back. Na im my padi enter soapy dance with person. According to the information, say Two-Face comot to go ease himself to the glory of God. Natasha no follow am because normally we be know talk say Natasha and two baba na 5 and 6. If two baba dey go shit, Natasha no mind to go dey perceive the order of the shit say e dey sweet well well. If Two-Face dey go peace, e dey follow am. Anywhere wey Two-Face dey go, e dey follow am. E baffle me when I hear the information say Two-Face come back come catch Natasha red-handed. I was like, how come? Where? How? When? How is that possible? My people, no be small thing o. This matter when I dey tell una like this o, no be small thing. I no fit post the picture for una based on YouTube policy. But as I see the picture, omo, e shock me. E shortalize me. I was like, is it that she has forgotten, say they no dey date again with Two-Face, that she is now a married woman? Because the last time I checked, she carry ring, dey flaunt am, heavy ring too, for finger, dey flaunt am. As if that was not enough, she go House of Assembly, go talk say she don add knee Idibia to Honourable Natasha Osowaru Orobosa. She come add knee Idibia, meaning say Idibia e don turn to her family member. E don turn to how I wan even take put the knee sef. Because me, e even make everybody scatter life. E shortalize people so they no know wetin they wan talk again. House of Assembly, everybody burst into laughter say wetin dey worry this one now, they never still know. Now I come dey ask say shebi they don forget now like this, so they marry? Abi she don forget say she don add knee to her name wey she come go dey do this one? What is really going on? What's up, my people? They say na so Two-Face come go ease himself o. Make we no come dey deviate from the matter wey dey ground. Two-Face go ease himself. Now they say when him come back, my people, now him come meet Natasha. They dance soapy dance. That kind dance wey be say they hold person, jump for the person body. Because based on the picture when I see, he jump for the guy body. They dance soapy. Everybody dance soapy. I say, hey, say she come dey dance soapy o. Na small na remain make the person too comot in federal government based on say everybody don high. Everybody dey the one way in dey. Who even know whether the person comot in federal government, but God forbid bad thing. They dance the dance wey they dance o. Now they say Two-Face come, he come tap her. Based on they don take things and thing. They don high bottle, high that other one, high the most high everything. They no even know the one wey they do again. Una remember say Natasha parents tell mama Two-Face say make dem tell Two-Face make him also leave Natasha alone. In short, make dem come collect their bride price. Say when Natasha dey on her own, she was fat. Say immediately she know Two-Face. Two-Face come introduce her to things and things. Natasha start dey lean. Before you know, she go disappear. Say they no understand, they can't reduce. When Natasha come dey reduce drastically. Say they no gree. Say na Two-Face na him teach Natasha how to take things and things. No be small thing o. According to Annie, she don been talk am before say Two-Face na even introduce her too to dey take wine. Like wine when I dey talk like this, so na the one wey dey high person o, morning, afternoon and night. Based on the love wey she get for Two-Face, she dey follow am dey high am. She no know talk say the thing dey cause more damage. And even him, the Two-Face, wey in family dey talk say na Annie cause the kidney whatever wey dey disturb am. Na Annie come reveal am say no be she cause any kidney o. Rather na Two-Face na him dey high bottle every now and then. E no allow himself rest for bottle. Even she, na out of say God really ready to deliver her, na him she take comot for inside the bottle. Come dey insist say make Two-Face too comot hand for anything bottle. Say and na that over drinking na him make Two-Face get in kidney whatever wey him get. E dey part of the reason, the part of the things wey cause the kidney problem. Say nothing concern her, concern anything poison wey dem talk say she put for inside food for Two-Face, make Two-Face chop, wey give am kidney whatever. Say nothing concern her, concern that matter. Wey come make we come agree to the family of Natasha now say na Two-Face na him teach Natasha how to high bottle. How to take say Natasha was not as lean as this when she met Two-Face. Na immediately she meet Two-Face, na him her matter e come get as e be, she come dey reduce before you know, make God help her make she no come disappear for the reduce. Because if you wear con shoe now dey waka, whether na breeze dey carry her go one side, whether na the thing wey she dey smoky dey carry her go one side, na only God na im know. But the most important part of the whole matter be say somebody dey go one side, whether na the breeze or na the somebody is going one side, na im just dey happen. Na im dey say na the thing dey overtake things and thing on that day for the club, so tey e reach the one wey be say Natasha no come know which one be Two-Face, which one no be Two-Face. Say Two-Face go peace before im go come back, Natasha don dey do another thing. Na im dey say Two-Face out of annoyance na so e take waka leave Natasha for inside the club. Natasha gat to follow am as usual with run, dey follow am dey stagger as usual now, dey stagger dey stand up, stagger stand up on top of this matter when I dey tell una like this. So Two-Face say he is highly disappointed in Natasha for this particular act. Say so if she don high like this, na im be say somebody, any person wey dey around there go fit do wetin e wan do be that. Na wetin Two-Face come dey ask Natasha o. Say so if she don high like this, anybody wey come dey around go fit do be that. Na me I come dey ask the question say wetin dem dey find for club? Shey dem no get house ni? Wetin dem dey always dey go find for that club wey dem no fit do am for their house? Dem no fit put, if dem dey addicted to club like that, dem no fit dey for their house dey play music, dey dance, dey drink the bottle wey dem dey drink? E come reach the one wey be say every now and then from one club to the other, every club for Benin don know Two-Face, every club for Abuja don know Two-Face. Say dem meet for one club for Abuja abi na Lagos, Davido see Two Baba, e come give come shake am, but e see Natasha, e do like say e no know Natasha. Everybody don know them for club. Every now and then club dey use am do na. Now okay, see wetin club don cost now. Two-Face was now disappointed and is very angry, but because of the thing and thing wey dey for im body, in annoyance e no fit still last. At the end of the day, na still together dey still follow go house, but na so im dey put am for sing. Every 2 seconds e dey put am for music, wey make me I come dey talk say make Two-Face dey very very careful o. Make Two-Face dey very 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 careful. If e know wetin good for im life, make im dey careful to avoid stories that touches the heart. Because this one, people go hear and they go say karma. This karma wey dey face Two-Face like this, so if only he know, he go run make e dey one face o. He go leave Two-Face alone enter one face, so that he go fit see future, he go fit see wetin he dey use im hand dey draw for himself. My prayer, my earnest prayer be say make him fit come change, make him dey alright, make e no come back later come go dey beg our Queen Annie. Because I so much believe say when every secret wey dey hidden for this relationship start dey burst out one by one, he no go know when him go talk say e be like say na where I dey come from na im better pass o, make I better go back to where I dey come from. Na so e dey always be na. You know say your present, you go dey see your present like say e no make sense until you turn to your ex, you come get another person. Na that time you go come dey say my ex better o. You no go ever see the better wey dey for the ex until when una no dey again. Now you no go know say Annie over good until when e don sour for where im dey. Na that time you go know talk say na sour is sour like this. Because you know say now e still dey fresh, e still dey very very fresh. Pikin never come, one pikin never come, two pikin never come wey go show the real character of a woman or the real character of a man. Him now e dey feel say him be jagaban, e be puna mechanic, e be this, e be that. Anyhow wey e wan be, him go jaguar am. But e no know talk say if him think say anyhow wey e wan be, age is not on his side o. Like joke, before you know 60 years, before you know 70, age is not wetin dem dey reduce. Na something wey be say as time goes on, e go start dey show for your body. All the strength wey you get to dey quarrel before, to dey fight before, you no go fit get am to quarrel and fight o. Now is the right time for you to really checkmate am well. Na something wey you go need to divorce for, na something wey you need to say I no do for, you better check am now. because now one or two don dey come out. Hey, they never even high go anywhere because this is just the beginning of the highness. They never high go anywhere. They don dey jump, dey do soapy for club with another man. This one is just the beginning o. E don vex now, they don apologize now say nothing dey happen, nothing dey happen. Nothing dey happen, nothing dey happen, something go later happen o. If you never know, make you know now. Now wey dey call you, where everybody dey call you, you say lie you no go hear so. Oh, I just hope and I pray this one make e just be say na highness cause am, but make God come deliver una from this highness, because na this same highness na im carry Annie go rehab. Make e no come be say two of una last and una go come dey rehab, Annie go dey where she dey jubilate, dey happy say God of wonders have done the wonders. Hey my people, na the matter be this o, say hey, so e don reach this one wey be say they go club now, they go high reach forget theirself to the extent where woman go jump on top of another man body, a married woman for that matter, wey don add me to her name, go come jump for another man body, e go even forget himself. Na im be say this one a cause for serious prayer by Two-Face family. If Two-Face family know wetin good for them, na to equip more than police, because police no fit do this work. Na to equip more than DSS and other security agencies. Make dem go capture Two-Face, make dem gbag am, carry am come house, keep am down, pray for am well well, put chaplet inside water, use am cast and bind everything wey dey worry am, because this one e no dey ordinary to me. How come before they no dey record everyday Two-Face for club, but these days now Two-Face and club come be 5 and 6. E come be say like say they no get house again, na Two-Face and club. Now see wetin e don go use im eye see for club now like this. You can imagine inside life. My people, wetin una get for Two-Face, wetin una get to talk, because this matter now e don pass be careful, e don pass be careful. Na just prayer na dem need now like this. This alleged news, omo, e shortalize me. The matter e choke oh, e choke. Say na wow, things and things dey happen like this. Human being dey high forget himself like this. You know say e bin don start small small, dem bin dey think say na joke. When dem go house of assembly, dem dey come out for house of assembly, dem dey open cloth, breeze dey enter there. Before you know, they say e fall for ground. Open the federal government, and Two-Face run come close am. I know talk say we are heading somewhere small small. Now see where e don finally end up now. Hey, Two-Face no go run. According to that comedy, say run oh, run oh, run oh. Una sure say una brother no go run, una no go call her now before it is too late. May God come help man oh. Make una see wetin cassava dey cause for person. Make una see oh, wetin cassava dey cause for person. On a normal day, if Two-Face dey in normal eye, e go gree make another person come dey soapy with im woman, because una know say Gistlover be reveal one or two secrets, expose Annie. Say Annie once upon a time allegedly go when money no dey and Two-Face need to face im career. E release song, e no know how im go about am, money no dey, even to chop na problem. Say Annie go do soapy with somebody, with another man, to get money, come give Two-Face so that im go fit fund im lifestyle, e go fit fund im career, fit fund im music this thing. Wey make me as dey talk till today say e be like say that thing still dey part of the reason wey make Two-Face to trust Annie come become issue, because you know say men, they no dey forget oh. Most especially when im know the secret, im know say this is what she did to bring out that money. Im fit no forget. She do the sacrifice because of the love wey she get for am. Whereas him, e no forget oh. E just be like when person wey say e no well, e wan kpai, they come tell the wife say they go give her the money wey they go take do transplant for am, make him feel well. They give the wife the money finish, they sleep with the wife. The wife carry the money come use am heal the man. Immediately the man hear am say na money wey dem sleep with the wife na im dey take heal am, the man divorce the wife. At the end of the day, she do 2-0. Na im be this one so. With everything, with all the sacrifice, according to Gistlover that time, if na true, na im be say Annie really take sacrifice wey be say normally no woman go easily take am like that for man, but she took it for Two-Face. Now Two-Face come dey do anyhow. go chook him head now for inside something. Tell me how Karma no go catch Two-Face? Tell me how Karma no go hold am tight, no go hug am tight with all these things put together? And because me I feel say that thing too dey part of the reason wey make Two-Face dey somehow disappointed. You no fit trust Annie 100%. Now you go meet person wey you fit trust. Now see the person for club now don dey soupy. Make una check am na. Life balance like this. My people, make una come make we interact with the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us dey share, the like for more like minds and more recommendation. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.